Hello, welcome to Heritage Ford here in Corydon, Indiana on this nice winter day. Today I want to highlight another one of our commercial vehicles that we do have in our fleet, which is available to the public. Anybody can purchase it. This is a 2025 Transit 150, and it is all-wheel drive, so it makes it really nice. It does have a 3.5 V6 engine in it, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for a nice smooth ride. You can see it does come with a full trailer hitch plus electrical setup for it, and you do have your backup camera right here for reverse backing up. This also has sensing on the side and the front, so if you get too close to something, it's going to alert you. Or side to side, the same thing, which is awesome. You want to look inside here. You can see that it is finished pretty much. It does have the flooring, and the sides are set up so that you can add whatever you want to them. It does have wiring and everything all set up. You've got grab bars on both sides. And like I said, this is all set up for your configuration, whatever you might want to do, or leave it the way it is. You see, it does have the extended mirrors, which they extend out further than normal. Your headlights are automatic headlights, and you also have rain sensing wipers. And if you see down here in the front, I know it's probably hard to see, those are your sensors. So that's your accident alert, basically. If you get too close to something, it's going to let you know it's time to stop. So this is a really nice work truck. Like I said, it's all set up, ready to go. And it is available. And as you can see, it's pretty much set up like any other vehicle. You do have your USB ports. You've got your 12-volt ports. Your full screen here, which you can do everything pretty much. You have navigation, your heating and air, it's all done right here. Your fan, you have your apps, all that is done right here, which is really nice. Like I said, here's your apps. Another thing, all your controls. On this side of the steering wheel, you have all for your phone, because it is set up for sync, so you can sync your phone to this vehicle. So that means that you can be 100% hands-free. All your cruise control is over here. And this vehicle does come with what's called Ford Pass. It's an app that no charge to you. You don't have to pay for it. When you get it, you're allotted so many points, which can be used for oil changes. And one other really nice feature is with this Ford Pass is you can lock and unlock the vehicle without the key. You can do it right from your phone. So that makes it really nice. Like I said, there's no charge for it. All you got to do is download the app. This is one really nice work truck. So if you have any other questions, you can contact one of our sales representatives here at Heritage Ford. You can go to www.heritage.com and you get a full set of pictures, full set of specs, all the information you might need, or contact one of our product specialists here at Heritage Ford at 812-738-3284. And if you have any other type of commercial vehicle that you might be interested in, you can contact our fleet department. His name is Tony, and he'll be glad to spec out a vehicle for you. Like I said, this just happens to be one that we've got in that is available to the public. So like I said, 2025. So I do thank you for your time, and have a fantastic day.